I have an interesting video today. I'm going to show you how to earn some passive income on the Yellowcard app. If you don't have the Yellowcard app yet, I'll link it in the description below. So what do I mean by passive income? Passive income means you earn through like referrals, like you earn it when people sign up with your referral link. So an example is this. I received this message there at 7:03 a.m. As you can see, your referral has been used by Crispin Asimwe. You have received 600 shillings. It's small money, but this person always makes trade. So this is the money I've so far made from yesterday evening, and that's like 14,000 shillings. So how do you do that? So it's here, it's 14,000 under Ugandan shillings. How do you do that? How do you refer your friends to start receiving that money? You click on profile, you click on down here, refer and earn, and then you click on share. So this is my referral link, web.that, get 20% commission. So invite a friend and get 20% commission for fees every time they buy or sell cryptocurrencies. So you click on share. When you click on share, and then you get that link, you click on copy to clipboard, and then you send it to your friends. So that's how you're able to earn the passive income. Thank you.